So today we're going to learn how to properly cite our images using Creative Commons for our posters that we're making. So what exactly is Creative Commons? All Creative Commons is a set of licenses that allow creators of work conditions to share their work. So you don't have to go ask anyone permission to use the image if it's licensed under Creative Commons. So those conditions are usually attribution, non-commercial use, no derivatives of work, and share alike. Now notice that you can actually combine these licenses, but what I really want you to notice is you can actually use text to represent these different conditions. And this is going to be important if you don't have access to those symbols when you're citing your images. So according to the Creative Commons Best Practices for Attribution Wiki, a good rule of thumb is to follow something called TASL. And basically, all TASL is title, which is what the name of the material is, author, which is who owns the material, source, where someone can find that material, and then the license, which basically is how you can use that material. Now, according to the Ultimate Guide by Fodder.com, one should add the citation near the bottom of the image if at all possible. For this assignment, we're not publishing our work online, so we're going to add the URL at the end of the citation rather than hyperlinking that link if you were publishing your work online. So here's an example of what that looks like. I have the title, What Means Creative Commons, the author by Martin Misfelit, the license CC by SA, and then I have the URL at the end. Now what I don't like about this citation is the URL is really, really long. So here's an example of the same citation, but I've used a URL shortener called bit.ly so I could shorten that URL. So if you don't like to have the long URL, I would suggest shortening it. And that's all you need to know right now for citing your images for your poster.